Tired of the virtual meeting scramble? This video will show you exactly how to create and share a Google Meet link in under 90 seconds, so you can ditch the tech stress and get straight to connecting. First, open your web browser and navigate to meetgoogle.com. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a button that says New Meeting. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few options. Select Create a Meeting for Later. This generates a meeting link that you can share whenever you're ready. A window will pop up with your unique meeting link. Simply click the copy icon, usually represented by two overlapping squares, next to the link to copy it to your clipboard. Now you can paste the link into an email, a chat message, a calendar invite, anywhere you need to share it. When it's time for the meeting, just click the link yourself to start the meeting. You can also use other options when creating a new meeting. If you select Start an Instant Meeting, you'll immediately enter a Google Meet session once you're in the meeting. Look for the meeting details, often represented by a shield icon, or the meeting name at the bottom left of your screen. Click on that. A window will appear with all the meeting information, including the link. Copy the link from there and share it with your participants, and there you have it. Easy, right? Now you can effortlessly create and share Google Meet links, making your virtual meetings a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.